Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crypto Tech again. It's been 2 weeks since my last video, which was Babylon DAO, and today, um, today I just want to talk about general topics, how the crypto market is going on, and are we all okay and stuff. Yeah. So I wonder how you guys are all doing. If you guys getting hurt in the big dump, and are you guys doing okay, surviving, or you guys making some loss? Yeah. Personally, I actually sensed some crisis. The BTC market will going down soon. So I actually mostly changed it to stable coin last week. And yeah, so now I am not holding much cryptocurrencies. Probably I might be just holding some NFTs for upcoming utility tokens. Actually, it's like Slim Who's for upcoming Invisible Friends NFT. I might be show you, cause showing is stronger than just saying. Yeah. Oh, sorry. This is actually not my main. Wow, it's not showing. Yeah, so this account is not my main Twitter account, so yeah, there was some hiccups. So I'm really bullish about this project, Invisible Friends, because it's actually bringing people's participation. They do some contests, and people participating in the contest, and they doing many things together. So for example, yeah, so one NFT project I'm bullish about is Invisible Friends. They're doing really good illustration, and it's a really strong team. And the second one is this project in Interfaces, and this project is made by this team, Random Character Collective. I don't know if it's the team name or just their Discord server though. Yeah. And they are making 3 collections: Slim Who's, Roller, Mood Roller. Yeah, Mood Roller is minting soon, and third one is this one. I forgot the collection name, but if you hold the Slim Who's, there are high chance you will get whitelist for upcoming mints. So basically, I'm just holding these some NFTs for upcoming minting or getting some whitelist requirements. Yeah, and personally, about this current NFT no, crypto market situation, I personally think it's not looking really good. It's just my personal opinion. The market always can go up and down, and I truly believe after all, BTC will go up high, like 100K or even more, and I truly believe in the technology of blockchain and the Web3 world coming. But what I'm talking about is this short-term anticipation. Yeah, who knows, like the BTC can go up high. But one thing I noticed these days is some coins not moving along with BTC, like Luna or some NFT or Defi 2 or what is it called? The launchpad projects. They are just moving against BTC. They are not moving together with BTC these times. It's one thing I noticed. It's weird. Even if the BTC is going down, these coins, they even go up high or doesn't move much. But definitely the market now is very volatile. Yeah. Is it the spells right? Volatile, yeah. The market is really volatile, so I don't think this is a good timing to invest for long run. So if you want to make an investment now, I think you're actually taking a lot of risk. So if you wanted to invest a lot, like your big seed money, then it would have happened some month ago when the BTC was around like 30K or even around the 40K. You should have you must have finished the big investments. And when the BTC was around 60K, it was actually should have been your harvesting time. So I don't recommend, personally, I don't think it's a good timing in general to make a big investment now. So what we can do now, but I'm not saying like we're getting into the entry of crypto winter or the market is collapsing. I'm not saying about this, but we have to think what kind of investments we can actually do. So these days, what I am focusing on is probably two airdrops. I'm focusing on airdrops and also seed investment, like VC, venture capital. Yeah. So I'm focusing on these two. So airdrops, my strategy is these days Ethereum gas fee is quite high. So I'm focusing on the projects that doesn't cost much Ethereum to be eligible for future airdrops. Don't worry, I will organize all the information about this and I will show you how I participate in these airdrops too. Airdrops are crazy, like DYDX, ENS, recently Diversify, Settlers. Don't do these now because it's been already finished. But what I want to say is DYDX, maybe easy, 100K, ENS, maybe 20K, Diversify, 1K. But what I mean is 1K per one wallet. So if you knew about this airdrop, you could have actually do multiple accounts. So I don't really recommend doing multiple accounts though, because it's just like taking benefits of other people's. So yeah, maybe you will know what I mean like later on. Yeah, so airdrops, I'm focusing on airdrops and which doesn't cost much gas fee. So maybe you spend like $10, $100 swapping or staking, and you can expect good rewards like this. Not always like big like this, and sometimes there's no rewards, because like if you were the team development team of a project, and if you announce that, oh hey guys, we're gonna do big airdrop, everyone come and use our service, and according to that we're gonna do big airdrops to everyone like 10k 20k, then all these airdrop hunters will come over and they will do like multiple transaction, multiple accounts, and then but the big pie, the big wholesome pie is limited, so the rewards they can distribute is limited, so it's just getting too complete, too competitive, and that's not what the development team wants to do. So they want to bring more attention, they want to share the rewards and profits with the early adopters, but they don't want like just benefiting the airdrop hunters, obviously. Yeah. So yeah. So this is one strategy I'm doing, airdrop, and I will share with you guys later on. And the second one is first one airdrop, and second one is seed investment. So what seed investment is, it's almost the same as what the venture capital companies do, like Andersen Horowitz or Hashid or Alameda Research. So you just invest in the seed round when the token or when the NFT or whatever digital asset is at the beginning, like when it was very cheap, private sale or first public sale. So yeah, but it definitely takes some time because you need to sort out which one you can actually invest in or which one you will not do. So I think this is a good thing to do in this bear market, because bear market is the best timing. You sort out the gems like rare topaz, rare diamonds projects, and put your money in. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm actually doing, I am actually doing this sorting out job now. And yeah, and also I found some nice projects too, so I will share with you guys. Okay, so I talked about the strategies I am applying on this current market now. And another one, what I want to say is, in the crypto market, there is always a trend. There was always trend. DeFi, Web3, cross-chain, or something. So, if I just briefly write this, since the last year DeFi booming, the market has been going through like this DeFi boom, and other projects all boomed up. Yeah, so maybe this is like early 2021. Yeah, so this is from 2020 summer to current maybe. Yeah, and then NFT market was booming after the last BTC dump since 2021 June. Yeah, to current. Yeah, of course I know, like from the CryptoKitties or other project with the flow NBA Top Shot has been long ago, but what I mean is the contracted boom for some month. Yeah. And I told you NFT is evolving to gaming cryptocurrency. So-called AKA GameFi. Actually, this gaming cryptocurrency is somehow similar concept as DeFi as well. Somehow, yeah. Maybe there will be another time I can explain this more too. And NFT evolved to gaming cryptocurrency. Gaming cryptocurrency's destination is coming to metaverse. And this metaverse is very closely interacted with Web 3. Yes. So I can just divide the sections like this. Okay. And maybe I can put like subsection as well. DeFi 2.0. Because like Olympus DAO and Klima and Time Wonderland and Rom DAO. I think Concave will be good too. Diatom, good too. Like these two projects hasn't launched yet. I see big potential on these two. But one thing, it's really competitive to get the whitelist roles in here. Diatom used to be pretty easy. But one thing you need to do is inviting people. But generating personal invitation link doesn't work now. So it's hard now. Yeah, for me, I also couldn't make it. Maybe because I was also lazy to do this as well. Yeah, by the way, subsection DeFi 2.0 subsection. Okay. So these are the trends going on in the cryptocurrency market, in my opinion. Yeah. So okay. So now we're getting through pretty much this section, because DeFi 2.0, it's I don't know. Actually, I don't know. But one thing is the OHM and Klima time, these coins performance is not very good at this point. And RomDAO as well. RomDAO, yeah. So yeah, so I see big potential on Olympus, especially. I see big potential, and as I told you, I still see big potential on these two projects personally, especially. And another one is Leverve DAO. It's on Terra Luna, because of the recent stability and very strong price protection of Luna and more potential of Luna ecosystem. I see a big good future with Leverve DAO as well. Yes. So even if I see good projects on the DeFi 2.0, but I won't say too much about DeFi 2.0 at this video. Okay. So this video, gaming cryptocurrency, it's kind of similar to DeFi somehow. And this is upgrading, evolving to guild system, guild system, guild system. Yeah, and also game DAO. I forgot to mention about DAO. Yeah. So game DAO, Guildify, Avocado, Guild Games, Good Games Guild. There are many of them. So the idea of game DAO is, they making an ecosystem about gaming cryptocurrency and also the economic system in the games, but the games connected each other, and they also taking these games into metaverse, and also they sharing many things in this system, if that makes sense. Like they give maybe like whitelist privileges to the previous games good performing users. They give the NFT whitelist or other upcoming games tokens whitelist opportunities, like these things. But these are all very closely connected, and these are all happened under the name of the same guild and DAO. If that makes sense. Maybe today video is just, I will just talking about the general ideas, and I will take another video about more detailed in a single section. Yeah. By the way, DAO is decentralized autonomous organization. So literally it means it. Decentralized autonomous organization. Yeah. And so this is a gaming section, but you know what? Blockchain development is relatively easy. I said relatively easy to compared to making a good game project. Yeah, easier than making a good game project. If there are someone who worked in a blockchain development part and also worked in a developing games part, especially using like 3D Unreal engines and stuff, they will probably understand. It takes more time, it takes more efforts, it takes more human force. So what I want to say, it's really hard to create a well-made, systemically well-made games at a one boom. It will be very hard. But what you're seeing these days is there are so many games, cryptocurrency games are opening and also distributing their tokens. Personally, I think many of them are actually just speculation. Just increase the funds, and maybe they're just increasing a lot of hypes, but the results are not really good. Like when the games actually opened, the results would not be really good. So you need to sort out really good gaming projects. Has the good system, and also worked out their good digital monetary network system, correlating to fiat money and expanding their ecosystem. And like these games would have some potential, I believe it. But you you really need to do good soul out. Yeah. And another section I want to say is metaverse. But I think metaverse is a long way to go. Metaverse is a long way to go. Especially the decentralized blockchain technology applied metaverse is a long way to go. It's harder to talk about at this point, I think. Of course, you still can find a good potential, like in terms of profit making perspective, because people always do speculation and always there's a cash flow between the projects. But in general, the idea of metaverse manifested in online blockchain system, I think it's still long way to go. But you still can sell out some good projects for profit making. Yeah. But the real metaverse will still be far away from now. And yeah. And third section I want to say is Web 3.0 plus DAO. I will just do quick brief about this. Web 3.0 is also long way to go. Like my definition of Web 3.0 as a cryptocurrency investor is Web 3.0 is the contents and the results, the outcomes, all the users and creators made in the internet world is distributed back to us. Yeah. So something the users get rewards, they get rewarded in the system. I think it can be regarded as Web 3 category, if that makes sense. Yeah. So it's a very not clear definition to me. Probably there wouldn't be like the static definition about this as well. So there are some ideas about social fi. Like you do some social activities and you get viewers. Like mirror.xyz, for example, you write on a platform and you do some like writing works and you get reward. And Monaco, what was it? Monaco something. Monaco Planet. Monaco Planet is a platform you do social activities. Yeah. It's like Instagram. But in the Instagram, by using it, you get rewards in the Monaco Planet. Yeah, so these are like social fi section, and also friends with benefit, similar somehow. Yeah. But Web 3, it's also, I don't think it's kind of not enough to bring people's attentions and bring big money from ordinary users, and also bringing new cryptocurrency users, like which haven't really tried cryptocurrency lifestyle yet. It's not enough, I think, to bring new money flow to the crypto market. Okay, I will just say DAO separately. DAO, recently the good one was people constitution DAO. So what they did was they collected Ethereum from people. Like anybody could have contributed their Ethereum, and then with that Ethereum they tried to bid on auction to buy US Constitution. Sorry, I'm not very familiar with these words. Yeah, you know, cause English is not my first language. Oh, is okay. So Constitution, they try to bid on the auction to buy the a piece of Constitution, U.S. Constitution, and they couldn't make it, but the increased Ethereum they did was increased as a form of people token. So that people token price has gone up crazily. Yeah, and it even listed in KuCoin. Where was it? KuCoin didn't. KuCoin actually did a poll about if we should list people or not, but they probably didn't do listing at the end. But like OKEX, GB pretty good, Gate.io, yeah, Poloniex. So what I mean is people who participated in this activity actually made crazy money because the starting price was 0.0038, but the top was 0.14. But the starting probably should have been way lower than this. Yeah, but after failing the bidding, probably it became kind of speculation. So there were still up and down, but now, yeah, it's going down. So, yeah. So you probably get some idea of DAO now, because what DAO does is literally just these words just saying everything about DAO. What DAO can do is something we could have done in the past without blockchain. Without blockchain, they could have done these activities. You know, like they can just increase the fund and they can just go to the auction and bid on the constitution to buy a piece of this. It could happen without blockchain. But blockchain made this way more decentralized. Like people anywhere in the world can actually participate. And yeah, so that made the connection. So basically DAO can do anything. There is like venture DAO. Maybe this is for like investment venture DAO. And diatom. This is also kind of DAO. Yeah, these all concepts, these all sections actually somehow interacted in between. Yeah, some sections. So what does diatom is? Diatom tried to save the ocean. like eliminating the waste and plastic, and like buying this token and participating in this project and buying their NFTs. By these ways, they actually participating in the activity to protect the ocean. Yeah. So see, these are what they're doing. Like 80 Ethereum. I believe this is Ethereum, right? Yeah. 80 Ethereum, 100 Ethereum, increase 135, increased. So people actually very actively participating in these activities. You see. Yeah. So this is what DAO does. I'm so bullish on this, but I couldn't make it to the whitelist. It's a shame. But by the way, so probably now you understand like what DAO does, right? So DAO can be anything. Anything we could have done without blockchain, but now we just do it with blockchain. This is DAO. Yeah, decentralized, autonomously. We do some activities together. Yeah. So this is the idea of DAO. So there's gonna be more interesting DAOs coming soon too, and this should be good investment opportunity, or this is basically a good goodwill, good purpose project. So some deserve to be having more attentions. Yeah. So definitely we need to watch out for other DAOs. And yeah, NFT is still going on. But one thing I noticed the recent NFT market is it's not anymore like you can just make money just by aping in, just buy NFT and just the price going up. These days the recent NFT market is not like that. These days NFT market is more like collaborating with big companies like Disney or Matrix movie, or Simpson or Frozen, and or like Snoop Dogg. He did collaborates with Sandbox Land Sale. Yeah. So like this yeah, it's integrating with the outside of the blockchain and cryptocurrency, like Adidas jumped into NFT as well. So yeah, so these projects, like who's backed with these big companies, like previously existed companies, like these projects something worth to have an eye on. Yeah, these projects definitely worth. And KRT, oh shit, I forgot the project name. KRT FT? sorry, NFT K R T. Sorry, I can't find right now, but probably someone familiar with NFT probably know what I want to say. But by the way, like this one or these ones I told you before, like invisible friends. And there's another good project called galyverse. Yeah. He's doing NFT works, but with Pokemon and luxury brands like Chanel, Gucci, Supreme, etc., etc. But one thing you have to know is the copyright and patent issues with these companies hasn't been clearly announced. So I actually don't know, like, he actually got consent from them or not. So this one is something needs to be more cleared out. Yeah, but as you see, so these are not just normal NFTs. These are normal NFTs. It's hard to pump the price these days. I think it needs some bring other attentions from previously existed projects, or the project has to be backed by good backers. Yeah, maybe Cypher, this project, but even the Cypher NFT price is not really going good. But just for example, yes. But NFT actually evolving to other features, not just the JPEG, not just moving images. Definitely, it's evolving to next levels. Yeah, maybe it's too much to talk about in this video, but I will do another video for this. Yeah. So I think I almost covered all the sections these days. So after all, what I want to say is none of these sections at the current point not enough to bring enough attentions and enough cash flow, like crazy cash flow, I mean, like crazy aping, degen, and not enough to bring people from outside of crypto currency, like bring new people to cryptocurrency. Like none of these are not enough at this point. I mean, like as time goes, people develop more, and then there could be some chance, but this point it's quite not quite enough. Cross chain, maybe Atom Cosmos. Yeah, Atom Cosmos, not really cross chain, but yeah, I will talk about it later. But I see good potential from Atom personally. It's gonna be really huge, I see, but will take some time, and it's not right now though. Yeah, so maybe Synapse, maybe any already listed on Binance, something like this. But by the way, yeah, so you can do some tradings, you can invest on some stuff, but personally I don't think there's no strong catalyst to bring more money into cryptocurrency and see crazy pump right now. And other world economy indexes are also doesn't look very good. Yeah, So definitely at this point, the market is really volatile. And if you wanna make an investment, you actually have to take risk in this point. But I don't really do that. My basic strategy is buy cheap. First strategy. Buy cheap. Buy anyhow, buy cheap. That's most important. Most important. If you buy cheap, and if you think the price, at least it won't go down too much. Like if you're willing to take the risk of 10%, 10% or 20% going down, 10%, 20% is something I can take. Minus 10, 20%, something I can take. But the ceiling, you see, like the price potentially can go is way up high, and it worth investing. So like if you buy the digital asset in the early stage, like when it was cheap, then you can just sell any points. Like if you're willing to take minus 10, 20% loss. But if it goes up, you don't know how much it will go up, you don't know. But it's always your profit. You know what I mean? So buy cheap is most important. So now this volatile market, I don't really take my risk to get in the middle. I don't really do. So that's why I am focusing on airdrops and seed investment for the future. These probably doesn't make money right now instantly. These strategies definitely take some time, but it can actually reward you a lot of unexpected money, I guess. Yeah. So I will still shout out to you, like if I see some good potential projects will coming pretty soon, I will still let you know. But from now, what I am more focusing on researching will be airdrops and seed investments, like something you can do with small amount of money. Yeah. And I will share these with you as well. And maybe briefly just close up the potential good projects I mentioned, because some people just want to see the extracted good projects list. So I told you concave. Yeah, you guys always need to do your own research, you know, because yeah, I am not a god. I am just an individual researcher, investor. So projects always can be hacked or like can be robbed. I don't really think so though. Yeah. Maybe mirror. Yeah, individual friends, galyverse, and the there was one another WG. Yes, this one. WG, this one. Yes. Yes, so these are the projects. I'm pretty sure like most of them are actually making good profits. Like if you just get in the early stage, pretty sure. Yep. So next video, yeah, I don't know, probably will be how I do airdrop or how I do preparing for seed investment, and or it can be just a general overview in the market. I don't know what it's gonna be, but next video will be another informative video, I'm pretty sure, you know, because I'm crypto otaku. I'm crypto otaku. Like, I just like doing this. Yep. Okay. It's pretty, yeah, late, early morning in my current time. So yeah, I will just fold video now here, and I really hope everyone's doing well in this big dip, and yeah, I will see you next time with another informative video. See you guys later. Have a nice day. Bye.